Here I have MGMS6 and let me show you how to lift windshield wipers up into service mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the car icon located at the bottom of the screen. Now from the following menu, let's use the third tab, which is the convenience. And from convenience, all you need to do is scroll down. Let's scroll down far enough to find here the wiper service mode. Let's read the information about this mode. So when activated, the wipers will be moved to the service position. It's also really important that you have to disable all wipers, front and the rear, on your steering wheel. If you disable them, you can enable here this wiper service mode, and now you can change your wipers. If you would like to disable the wiper service mode, you can use the same switcher. If you would like to check out how to remove your wipers, you can watch our other videos about it. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.